Alright, so today we're going to put a new chain on the Homelite XL. It's a 10-inch bar. All you'll need is a 7/16 wrench. We're going to take this bolt off right here. We'll get started on this thing. Alright, once you got your bar off, it'd be a good idea to clean it up a little bit. Here's the tensioner. Here's my new chain, eBay special, $11.99 free shipping. It's 3/8 pitch, 0.05 width, and 10 inches long. Alright, so I forgot to mention that the chain has 42 links. I just put it on the bar like that, and I'm going to try to keep it all together and put it up in there all in one piece. Alright, so we got the chain on. Tension it a little bit. Let's fire her up, see how she runs.